In this series, But What About AirCrete, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked and often overlooked questions. We've been living and building and teaching AirCrete for years now, and with the state of the world and the economy and the uncertain times, there's never been a better time for you to get your own home affordably built that's going to keep you comfortable. So rather than do what most people do and talk out of our butt, where can I learn how to make AirCrete hands-on to be sure I'm getting it right? Well, I'm glad you asked. We operate the Trilingual School of Alternative Building, where we have 3 workshops a year, and you get to build an entire tiny house and learn every aspect of making good AirCrete, including the engineering that goes in behind it, as well as electrical, plumbing, solar, earth construction, how to grow all of your own food, and just so much more. It's a massive value. So check out tinygiantlife.biz for more details.